Okay, so today we had a monk chat, and a really amazing thing happened because we had a monk chat last Tuesday, so this was our second monk chat. And the guy we talked to the first time, he was very like philosophically minded, and it was just interesting because we raised a lot of different philosophical questions that he couldn't answer, and but it's strange because his heart was so hard at first, but by the end of the conversation on Tuesday, it was really good. So we went back today, and everyone had gotten a table with a monk except for me and Chelsea. And it was so amazing because me and Chelsea were just sitting there talking, and maybe like 10 minutes after we prayed, this guy walks up, and he started talking about strength. But what was so cool is strength. One of my favorite verses is from 2 Corinthians 12. Verses 6 through 9, and that's when Paul gets a thorn in his flesh, and he asks God to take it away, and he's talking about how his weakness, through his weakness, he is strong. And so I took that passage, and like it just came to my mind, and I just so happened to have my Bible in my bag, and so I got out my Bible. And because he was, like I said, he was hard-hearted before, but by this time, when we talked to him today, he was just open to listening and talking about anything, just completely changed. And when we read the scripture out to him, and he was like, oh, and then he actually took my Bible and put it right in front of him, and he's like, can I read it? Because we asked him, is there anything you didn't understand, or what do you think about this? He's like, can I read it? I want to read it. And I'm like, okay. And so he takes it and he starts reading it, and as he's reading through it, he's so passionate. Like, he's like, what does this word mean? We actually got to give him a Bible and set him on his way, so now he can go and seek for himself the God of truth. And one of the questions that was really interesting to me, we asked him on Tuesday, is what is truth? And now it's interesting because now he has an opportunity to actually find out what truth is. We can continue to pray for this monk because it's amazing, and hopefully his life will be changed because now he's pursuing truth. So that's what happened at Monk Chat today.